Hello, this is an example of a recent project that we finished in which once you submit the PDF form, the data goes into the Google Spreadsheet. So as you can see, I'm going to show you how it works. Once this PDF form is submitted, all this data is going into the Google Spreadsheet. Now the client had this specific requirement that the location, like he has several tabs, each of them are location. So, like when I select Beautiful Smiles College Park, the data should go into this tab. Okay. And also he wanted that this date and provider name are matched, and if it is a match, then this record should be updated. So I'm going to show you that in action. We have April 24 and this is Shivani Bhatia. So I'll change this to April 24. Okay, and this is Shivani Bhatia. So what it does is it matches this April 24 Shivani Bhatia and then updates all these fields. So I'm just going to show you one of the fields. So for example, this time over here, it is 2.75 hours, right? And the billable amount is $2,007. Okay, so I'm going to change that to 3.575 at 2194.97. Now once I click on this export button, it will ask me to allow to run the script, and once I have run the script, you can see that it is uploading the data to the site. That means it is going to send the data over here, and once the script has finished running, you can see that data exported successfully. It will show you in here, and this should be updated shortly. So you can see that the spreadsheet is working. Normally it does not take so much time. It should have, okay, there it is. Yeah, so you can see that the amount is updated also, and the time and amount is updated from here, right? So we can do any customization to this script. The basic point being sending the data from the PDF to the Google Sheet. So whenever somebody clicks on export or submit or send, whatever data you want, we can send it from the PDF into the Google Sheet.